Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do something different. I have not done this sort of a video before, and I know that I've been promising to do the room tour video for the longest time, but this is not that, because I want to shoot that video professionally and have everything ready, and still there are some things that have to be ready in my room, but I didn't want to postpone it. So I thought that I'll do something like a makeup organization sort of a video wherein I show you guys how I organize my makeup. Right now, as you can tell, my room is a mess. I literally have products everywhere, like on my bed, then on the vanity over there, and then there is this like cabinet over here. It's filled with makeup, but obviously none of it is organized right now. It's just a big mess. And I really need to just get some things in place so that it just makes my content creation process easier, because right now I just am hunting for products all the time, and you can see that my wardrobe is also a big mess. It's crazy. So I thought that I'll shoot like a vlog sort of a video wherein I show you guys the process of me organizing everything into different acrylic holders, and how I segregate products, and how I do it as per categories and brands. Warning, if you are someone who has like OCD issues, then this video is probably going to drive you nuts, because it's just a big mess. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that up. Okay, so this right here is the cabinet where I keep most of my stuff, and as you can tell that it's literally just filled with makeup. There is a lot of stuff over here, and please ignore how dirty it is. I just had a lot of construction going on in my house, which is why it's just really dusty and dirty, and half of the times I'm just trying to clean the dust. But this is the cabinet that I got from IKEA, and this is how it looks like. Sorry about the ring light. And I'm actually just gonna organize this today mostly, and also as you can tell that there's a lot of stuff on my vanity over here. Like literally, look at this. I need to get my things in place. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So whenever I want to organize or reorganize, in this case, what I do is I take all of my makeup and all of the organizers and I empty everything out on the floor, so I have everything laid in front of me, and then I start organizing it again. That way I feel like it's just more efficient, especially for someone like me who has just so much of makeup. So it's just easier to do it that way, and that's what we're going to start off with. So we have a lot of organizers which I've got from Muji. Most of them are from Muji, and if I've got it from somewhere else, then I'll obviously link it in the description box below so you can check it out. So this is what we have so far. It's really making me anxious. Like, look at this stuff. It's crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna do this by myself. This is what happens when you shoot by yourself and you have nobody to help you. So really sorry about these weird angles, but I just wanted to show you that these are all of my acrylic holders which I got from Muji. They're really good quality, and this is how they look like. They come in this, and then obviously you have the lid on top. And the reason I prefer these lids is because there is so much dust in my house. You will see that most of the products are covered in dust. Like, look at this. And then we have this, which is for all of my liquid lipsticks and my lip crayons. So again, this is divided in compartments. You can get this on Amazon as well. So yeah, that's how I keep all of them stored in this. Hi! 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 Hello! I really tried to keep my hair open, but it's extremely hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to start off with this box right here, and this has all of my MAC stuff. So what I've done is, for brands that I have like excess stuff of, that is MAC, K-Beauty, then I have a lot of like Line Crime stuff, and the balm as well. I have kept it in different boxes, and Huda. So it's easier for me to just go to that box and then pick out the products, because honestly it's a lot. This is not even half of it. And this is the stuff, and there's actually more of it. Look at this. Just look at this packaging. Isn't it beautiful? This is all of the MAC stuff that I could fit. We have all of my lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, highlighter, then blush, bronzer, and I have more stuff actually right here. So I'm just going to put this in the respective, like categories. So the lip liner with the lip liner box, then the eyeshadows will go in the eyeshadows. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Then we have the K Beauty box right here, which is in much better condition than the MAC box. So I am just going to like put everything back properly. So this is how the K Beauty box looks like up close. And the reason I've kept these like this is so that when I keep it on the shelf, I can easily look at the shade names that are written over here. So that's the reason I've kept them in their boxes. Also, they look prettier in their boxes. So this is the K Beauty box. We have all of the highlighter shades. I have put the foundations as well. Then these are all of the lip products. Then again more lippies and then nail polishes. Then we have this box which is empty, and that's because I have taken out all of the Huda stuff from it. And I'm going to just keep it back, but really need to clean it first. So initially this was gonna be my Huda box, but this just makes so much sense. I have all of my liquid lip collection. So we have Miss Claire, we have the Sara ones, we have the Calabar lip liners, the Blur liquid lipsticks, Huda and Faces. So I've just kept all of this together, and it just makes me so happy. Then we have this one. This did not need a lot of reorganization, but this has all of my Lime Crime and the balm stuff. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow palettes, lip products, highlighters, all of it. So here we have the 4 boxes. This is MAC, then K Beauty, then all of my liquid lipsticks, and then we have this one right here. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really enjoyed filming this. It was just so therapeutic. I really hope that you all did too, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Also, there's going to be a part 2 of the makeup organization video wherein I show you guys how I arrange concealers, foundations, lip liners and all that good stuff. So don't worry, this is not it. There are going to be more parts, so you can see everything properly, and I really hope that you also watch that video. For that, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you get notified, press on the bell, and yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Love you.